welcome.
Thanks for joining me for another video. I'm really excited about doing this. I've been wanting to do this for a long time now. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick walk through this property that we bought a few months back. I finally got the tenant out and he left us one heck of a mess. Like you're going to see as I walk around, and you can see right here, there's shit everywhere. So come on, let's check this out and see what this place looks like. This is absolutely overwhelming and exciting, but the amount of work that we have ahead of us is tremendous. This is lovely. Oh yeah, beautiful. This next bathroom's even nicer. There's another little office. This is the nice bathroom here. This one's almost honestly scary. He left me a nice mess. A little creepy. They broke the gutter, left all that trash. Right here you can see the house a little bit back there. A little tiny house, rental house thing, and you can see, get a pretty good view of the shop. We're starting to get a handle on cleaning up all the shit this guy left behind. I mean, he left us one hell of a fucking mess. Like, we were just talking about, a lot of it is metal, which is good. You know, we can at least scrap it and get a few dollars, which is more of a pain in the ass. I was thinking about just calling up a buddy of mine and asking him if he felt like scrapping it. I actually haven't figured out how to turn these lights on yet. I think I might have to have the power company come out and do something with the meter. But I've got so much shit in here, so much shit outside to clean up. I want to go up here and do a video on this whole upstairs area, but it's so dark, there's no point right now. And then this section is still, this is actually none of my stuff in here. This is the lady I bought the place from. She's still storing some crap in here for another month. But right now we're gonna move all this wood and open this door so we can go through. So this is the paint booth here, or that's what they used it as. And then this is this area I have over here. right, cool. Now they're out of the way. Let's see what it's going to take to get this thing opened up. Looks like it's a square tip, kind of a star tip. Lukey, I got all the slabs moved. I haven't walked up here yet, so I might as well. This old furnace is going. This waste oil furnace is staying. Dude left a ton of shit up here. It's so dark you can't even see. I don't know why there's two rooms here. This is where he left the most shit right here. This is a fucking huge mess. But it's no big deal. I'm gonna back my trailer in right down here and throw it in. First step's gonna be cleaning and getting new lights, obviously. How you making out? Huh? You get the door open? Here, slide that. I want to video it real quick. There's a big divider door here to divide off these two sections. The lighting in here sucks right now too. Go through here. It's pretty cool. I guess we'll use that at some point, I'm sure. Oh, look at those curtains. Shut that out of the way. Oh, just take it apart. You get a screwdriver tip, Phil. They really did want to store it open. Through? Through? In. So at least we're fully connected now. Other than that section, the painter's area. The gutter doesn't have an end cap. All right, Luke, lock it up. And thanks for watching.